Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Hope everyone is well. Now I will show you how to create your Facebook page. First, you have to log in into your Facebook account. Then you have to click on the icon that you see the top right side of your Facebook account. After that, you will see Facebook icon at the bottom. After clicking there, you will click on get started or create Facebook page. As you can see, there is an option to give Facebook page name. You will give the name of your Facebook page as per your choice. I am using the name Digital Pro Tips here. There will be my Facebook page name. So after Digital Pro Tips, right here. I am doing the next from here. After doing the next, you will see the page category option. From here, you can select the Facebook category account to your need. So I am using the Facebook category digital creator here since Paros. Type of videos will be uploaded here on digital tips. That is why I am using digital creator here. Now here you can see two options. The first is promote your products and service, and the second is content creation and content with fans. I will use the second on here because I will upload videos here and connect with different fans. You can choose any option from here according to you need. After that, you can see that here page name as almost ready. Now if you want to, you can upload your Facebook page profile picture and cover photo from here. So I will upload it my Facebook picture, photo and cover photo from here and do it next. You can see it very nicely, but they have been uploaded and I did it next from here. After that, the options. You will see invite your friends. You can select here on select all and invite your friends. As a result, the followers of your Facebook page will increase and your friends will be able to see your content and they will know that this is your page. I will invite anyone here. I will do the next from here. So in the next option, you can see the option stay information about your page here. What you can see that second option is page notification on your profile. If is the on, the page notification will go to your profile, but don't need this option, which is why I am using it off. So now the Facebook page that you can see pretty much near and it look very nice. So if you want, you can create your Facebook page very easily like this. Next is how can optimize your Facebook page and it will look very nice, due to which is your Facebook is most likely to reach. The video about this is give on my YouTube channel or page. You can go and watch it if you want. Thank you very much. Stay well and stay healthy.